guys, we're in the Novo with na vlog. Okay. We're going to the third floor or second floor.
Casual tayo. Okay.
Second floor. So this is the Novo in Cabanatuan City.
And why are you still recording?
Tupperware.
We like to know
Because you know, I love Tupperware. The Tupperware is not big.
why. We like to know why.
I don't know. No.
That's what it said. Third floor.
This is for sale. This is for sale, guys. Ka-cute niya. Gamay man nila po eh. Basurahan man na lang. Anong dako-dako.
Ayun ka mapalit ng basura.
How about here? Ah, it's a big one. Pila?
160.
Oh, your man is 200. 200 eh.
Better lagi.
Ah. You go there over there. Oh, it's better there. Nice pa nga butanganan oh. Alaga to ana. How about this one? That one. Uy, sudlanan man nagkuan lab ka ng sanina. Pila? Kamahal pa. Ano yun? Gagmay. Kani. How about this one? How much that one?
450.
450 daw.
Maghangat yun ka. Kanin na lang ba nila? Kanin na lang ang cheap.
So cheap raw, why it's expensive? Nahilo na ko. Kana, pila man na siya?
160.
O kana ra. Puro green. Your money is 200. 150. Okay. This daan to buy. Isa kay, I will buy pa.
Laging camera?
Laging. Come on. Elevator or
Escalator.
escalator. It's not elevator. Sorry. Bye-bye guys. Thank you for watching. Hoy! Come on! Come on, my friend!